Hindu Dharma is inherently ecological in its view, because in Hindu Dharma, we recognize that the earth is our mother, Mother Nature is there, the Divine Mother is behind all the manifestations, consciousness is present in all living beings, animals also have the soul, plants, rocks hold sacred energies. Everything in life and nature is sacred. So we must honor every living being and give each living being its place in the cosmic order and not interfere with their lives. And now, of course, there are certain things we as human beings need in terms of agriculture, in terms of technology, in terms of infrastructure, roads, and all these different things. But we must at the same time strive as best possible to protect the fellow creatures that we have. In fact, in Hindu Dharma, we recognize that the entire universe is a single organism, the cosmic person, the Purusha. The entire universe is the manifestation of the same divine energies, the Shiva Shakti energies, for example. So we must honor these, and we must place the human being in the context of the greater conscious universe. We as human beings are not the be-all and end-all of the universe or even evolution. We as human beings are an immature species at this point. We still need to work on ourselves quite a bit, to develop better qualities, control of our emotions, greater respect for our environment. And in Hindu Dharma, ecology is not just a scientific principle, it is an artistic and spiritual principle. Creation of temples, honoring of sacred sites in nature, honoring of the great rivers, honoring of the great mountains, respecting the sacred essence, the divine presence that is pervading everything. So that type of sacred or yogic ecology is what we find in the Hindu Dharma, honoring the organic basis of life, honoring the organic basis of our own bodies, honoring the elements, the gunas, the doshas within us for health and well-being, and honoring them throughout all of nature. So that ecological view is essential for humanity today. It is the foundation of the Vedic vision. We have the famous Bhumi Sukta and Atharva Veda that talks about honoring the earth and all of its creatures. We must bring back that ecological vision of spiritual unity, not just simply a technological factor of needing to keep the earth in a certain harmony for we as human beings. And we must recognize that the universe dwells within us. Our duty is not just to other human beings, but to all the creatures, to the universe as a whole, to the whole of nature, to sustain, to develop, to honor this cosmic order of life and consciousness.